Hello everyone, welcome to today's session of Spoken English. Let me quickly guide you through the session. So as we can see, the first part during our session, for the first part we will be covering a lot of spoken English. So what are we doing in this entire 1 month of the program? The first part we are going to study is grammar, which is very important for our spoken English point of view. There is grammar along which we will be doing a lot of speaking skills and a lot of listening skills. So this is what we will cover. Now when I talk about grammar, please pay attention everyone. I am looking at grammar, the rules of spoken English. What are our sentences? How should be the sentence structures? What should be the word formation? Are your tenses correct? So a lot of my students have a query with the tenses. I will cover this topic absolutely in detail, which will make your sentence structure correct. The next part that I will be covering after grammar is done and after spoken English is completed, then we will be doing personality development. Now this personality development covers your body language, your grooming, your etiquettes, your conversation skills, how do you talk, your voice modulation, all of that we will cover in personality development. And the third part again is very important from your career point of view. I will be covering resume building in detail and also I will be covering personal interviews. So when I talk about personal interviews, the questions that are asked during personal interviews, how do you answer these questions, and first of all, how do you introduce yourself? A lot of us will be freshers, so what kind of questions are asked to freshers? There is a certain way of answering those questions. They have to be answered in the step format. So what is the step format? We will be looking at all of this in detail. So yes, our session is divided into 3 parts. We have grammar, we have personality development, and we have resume building and how do you cover your personal interviews. Apart from this, we have a detailed session of group discussions. Now, why have we concentrated so much on group discussions is because whenever any candidate goes for an interview, before reaching the personal interview stage, you need to face the stage of a group discussion. Now why is this group discussion happening is because it is very difficult for say the HR of any company, a certain number of HR personnel, that is say 4 or 5 HR, to interview at least 700 or 800 students. So at GD, as at the group discussion level, you all are all divided into groups of 8, 10 or 12 candidates. So in this what happens is you are judged from your entire communication point of view. Group discussions are given a lot of elimination, and I would want you all also to focus on the group discussion part because maximum number of eliminations happen at this level. So what do we judge? It becomes very easy from our point of view to judge a candidate and to eliminate candidates at this level. Now for you to be eligible to